Welcome to your new home. Thank you for coming today to my virtual open house. I'm going to give you a quick overview on the home, and then I will turn the screen around and I'll let you take a look. I welcome everyone to comment. If you want to raise your hand, our host will be happy to unmute you, and you can actually talk to me with any questions or comments that you have, or you can use the chat if you don't have a microphone on your phone. Please also remember that we are going to have a poll at the end or close to the end of the open house, and that is helpful for my sellers to be able to get an idea for feedback, just like I would do at a regular open house. So I am here in Black Diamond Ranch, and I want to tell you, if you're not familiar with the area, Black Diamond is our upscale golf community. It is a magnificent community, whether or not you golf. We do have 3 golf courses. There's the Quarry, the Ranch, and the Highlands. And so the Quarry and the Ranch are the 19-hole courses, and the Highlands is a 9-hole. I think it's 18 holes, the other ones. The Highlands is a 9-hole. You can see I know about golfing. Anyway, so really exciting courses. People come here from all over to play our courses. And this particular house is completely remodeled. Before I get into that though, in addition to the golf courses, you have a clubhouse, an upscale restaurant, top-notch restaurant, and there's tennis courts, a fitness center, and a community pool. So you can join the social aspect of the community, or you don't have to. So that's an option. You're not forced into being part of utilizing those amenities, but they are here. Otherwise, this place is manicured, beautiful, lots of nature, just a great place to live. So I'm going to turn you around while I talk to you about this house. This is a house that has been completely remodeled this year. So you'll see, I'm going to try to move really slow so that everyone can see this without feeling like you're getting whiplash. All new luxury vinyl plank flooring. Kitchen has been updated with brand new appliances, granite countertops, undermount sink. Love the lower profile microwave option that's put into this appliance package. Recessed lighting. The house was built in 1988. Certainly doesn't feel like that, other than it has some classic character with the wood trim and the louvered closet doors. Window treatments on all the windows, high ceilings. This house is professionally staged, so thank you to 𝗩𝗲𝗀𝗃 for her work staging for me. She did a beautiful job. And this way you can see what it will feel like with the furnishings in the house. One of the things I want you to notice is there are these nice sliders absolutely everywhere. And the sliders lead to your screened-in porch. So if you notice, there's a lot of them. We also have the pass-through window. I'll just step out here, over here. The pass-through window in the kitchen. So you can easily serve guests drinks, hors d'oeuvres, whatever you might be treating people to. Or if you're me, I would be sitting out here and my husband would be treating me to whatever I needed. So I would appreciate that and enjoy that. These pavers, brand new out here, beautiful pavers. And if you notice here, this lanai wraps all the way around the house. This is a favorite area for me. It's very peaceful. If I stopped talking, you would be able to hear the birds, and that's all you would hear. But I won't stop talking because I like to talk. So we walk around this way, and the area that we're in right now is the master. So that this whole section, this whole side of the house basically past the first Chase Lounge is your master suite. And so you have a private veranda off of the master bedroom where you can go, and I would put a hot tub out there for sure, and just be able to enjoy space and nature, all of that. So let's go ahead and check out the master bedroom. This is not your traditional split plan, but I do feel like it still qualifies as a split layout, and I'll explain to you what I mean by that. Good size master, plenty of room. We've got a queen size bed, a couple of end tables. You've got plenty of room for additional dressers and things like that as well. Maybe a sitting area, although I would just use the sitting area out on the back lanai. Again, new granite countertops, double sinks, and a huge closet. So love this closet. Certainly, I would say enough space that I could probably share this closet with the mister. We have a shower and a garden tub that overlooks my hot tub area. And then we have a water closet. So this is a linen closet here. I'll let you take a peek in. So room for all the linens as well. And as we exit the master, you'll see what I mean. We are back into the foyer, and then there's a separate hallway that is the guest wing of the house. So this bathroom is essentially a Jack and Jill. This is not a bedroom. It goes to the hallway and it connects to a bedroom in the back there. Shower, walk-in shower. This room is a nice little office. It does have a closet, but it, size-wise, I think the best use of that space is to be an office. We go on down the hall, and as you'll see, we have 4 bedrooms and 4 full bathrooms in this house. And the way it was designed is all of these bedrooms have ensuite bathrooms, which I think is really, really neat. So whether it's your grown children coming with their grandkids, or with your grandkids, with their kids to visit, and you just want them to feel really comfortable with their separate space, or if you have children, and this way everyone has their own bathroom that they can keep clean and take care of, or, and any combination, of course, of these things, just guests being comfortable. This one here is the one that has the Jack and Jill bathroom. This one has an exterior door that goes to the side of the house. So that's an interesting setup in that if you had an in-law need, you could have this to be a private entrance. Now, I'll just show you. It is a little walk from the front of the house around back. I would put in, I think, some pavers and make a walk path if I was going to utilize this that way, but it certainly could serve for that purpose. So I think that's quite nice. We have a lot of need for in-law setups here in Florida. So close that back. And then we walk to the end of the hall and we have the 3rd guest bedroom. So notice 3 guest bedrooms, all I would say relatively the same size. Then you have your master, and then you have a nice sized office. Love the countertops in this bathroom. I just think those are so pretty. I don't know if you can see them well, but walk-in shower again. But a nice size office and a good size master suite. 2,785 square feet of living area in this house, which is a bargain in Black Diamond Ranch at $299,900. And you also have, let's go back here, I'll show you the pantry. And then we also have laundry closet right off the garage. Now I like the fact that the laundry is not taking up a whole lot of space in the house, personally. So it does have cabinets. I don't know if you've got a perspective on that. The laundry closet does have cabinets. So you have everything that you need in that space, but it doesn't take up living area. All the living area is being used for living in this house. This I like a lot as well. You've got a couple of double doors here off the side or the back of the garage, and that allows you to have easy equipment access. If a lot of people have golf carts, of course, so that would be a nice little golf cart area in the garage. And this is a side entry garage. But everything's been updated in this house. The house has been freshly painted. The garage floor has just been repainted. It is move-in, lifestyle ready. The sun is coming out. That makes me very happy. This is just beautiful, beautiful space. And again, it is a bargain at $299,000. So, does anyone have any questions? Looks like Sherry has joined us. Any questions for me, Sherry? Just raise your hand and you can, Ariel will unmute you. And you are welcome to ask away. I do believe that the poll was just created for you to go ahead and answer the questions, and then there's a link to all of the property information. I do want to say as well, if you're not familiar with Black Diamond Ranch and it sounds like it could be a good fit for you, I can set up a community tour for you. They're not doing them right now, of course, but once this lockdown business is over, I can definitely get you a tour of all of the amenities, and then they can also consult. There's a number of different packages for how you put together the, how you're gonna put together what amenities you plan to use, so that it's a nice feature that you're not paying for things. If you're not gonna golf, then you're gonna get a package for just social without golf options. So it really gives a lot of flexibility, and like I said, you don't have to sign up for any of the amenities. So just a quick recap. This is a fully remodeled house in Black Diamond Ranch, built in 1988, has a 2007 50-year roof, and it has a new AC as of 2014. So the big ticket items are all taken care of. All you have to do is bring your furniture and move in, and the price is only $299,900. 4 bedrooms, 4 full baths, plus an office, all suites. All of the bedrooms are little mini suites, and then a master suite that is luxurious. And I'll just take you one last tour of this lanai that I love. See if you can picture your hot tub out here, because I can. I can also picture my cocktail on that table, or maybe morning coffee. I would have coffee in the morning with a little Kahlua. Can you hear the birds chirping now? All right. Well, thank you for tuning in. We will be back tomorrow with another great open house for you. So I hope you can make it tomorrow as well. And then we'll finish up the week on Thursday. Tomorrow, after the open house tour, we will be doing the dueling listings again at 3 p.m. So that's another fun opportunity, and that'll be another chance to see this house. So definitely tune in for that as well. Might get a few chuckles. Otherwise, I'm going to sign out. Ruth Squires with RES Luxury Group, white glove service, red carpet treatment. It's all in the name. We are not the same. Have a great day.